Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best LED floodlights of 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. 4. Hyperikon LED Security Floodlight. If you work late nights or want an extra sense of security around your home, a set of floodlights can do the trick. This device lights up dark areas with bright 20-watt LED lights, has a light timer and an adjustable brightness feature, and allows you to customize the light range, all while turning on when it detects motion, thanks to its 150-degree motion sensor. It has 2 light heads to deliver good coverage and also has an IP rating of 65, so it'll outlast rainstorms and extreme heat. 3. URPOWER Solar-Powered LED Floodlight. These URPOWER floodlights won't rely on batteries, absorbing energy from the sun to power up at night thanks to its large solar panels and 8 LED lights. This 2-pack adjusts to the time of day, turning off on its own once it gets bright outside. When it gets dark, it lights up when it detects motion outside on your back patio or garden. Plus, it only needs a few hours to charge up to light up the night with a full battery. 2. Ring LED Floodlight Camera. Add extra security to your home with the Ring floodlight system and camera to alert you of any strange motion outside. An impressive 1,800 lumens of brightness streams from the 2 adjustable, motion sensor light heads to brighten the area, while the security camera is ready to capture any lurking suspected thieves with its 1080 HD video that shows you who is outside in real time. Plus, it provides a 2-way talk system and a remote-activated siren to scare off potential intruders. This is the ultimate security package to buy for safety in and around the home. 1. Auzev Outdoor Wireless LED Floodlight. Adjust this floodlight system that features 3 different light sensor modes with the touch of a button thanks to this remote-controlled pick. Brightening up areas of up to 20 feet. This solar LED option has a brightness of up to 1000 lumens that'll come in handy if playtime runs a little late or if you just like to have extra light near the pool area in your backyard. And because this comes with a remote control, this floodlight pick can be controlled from nearly anywhere.